Hi guys, it's Hannah Jo, and today I'm going to be talking about my July edit for my latest in beauty, what products I picked this month, how much they're worth, and my obsession with latest in beauty. So if you want to see what I picked for the month, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and all my social media links are down below. If you want to see any ongoing product reviews or any results from any of these products, then just follow me on Instagram because that's where I put all my bits and bobs. So I've just filmed my Grazia Best of Beauty box, and that will be coming up before this, so if you haven't seen it then go watch it. I will link it up here or up here, wherever the little thingy bob is. And so yeah, let's crack on to my July edit. So this is the Beauty Headliners July 2019 edit. I am of the Beauty Guru subscription, which is £18 a month, where you get to pick 9 products. I will leave discount codes down below if you guys are interested in signing up to the monthly subscription. You can sign up to a monthly subscription or you can just pay as you go. All the details are on the website. I'll link it down below. I don't make any money off of that. That is just for your guys' reference, okay? So in here, first off, we've got a couple of little leaflets in here, 20% off red letter days. And with Shiseido, there is like a complimentary facial, so that's really good to have, and a £6 off collection boxes for July and August, and there's a code on there. And so then I've got my 9 products in here, and also we got a free hair care gifted this month, so I will show you what that is. You can see it's like pretty jam packed in there. 9 products. I think actually, how many full size did I get this month? So I got 7 out of 9 full size, so that is perfect. So first full size product is the Super Duper hand cream, and the reason I got this hand cream is I love hand creams. I suffer from hand eczema, as everybody on this channel probably already knows because I talk about it all the time, but I do, and it's something that I struggle with on the daily, and I'm always trying to find things that don't irritate my hands, that keep my hands nice and moisturised. And my mum actually got this in her box last month and I absolutely loved it. It didn't irritate my hands, and I thought I've got to get one for myself, and luckily it was still on the Latest in Beauty website. So this is the Super Light Marvellous hand cream with coconut water and cuckoo oil. Okay, it's 90% natural, and this is worth £6.50. It is full size, it's 100ml, and it is perfect for the handbag. And perfect for my handbag because I need like giant hand creams in there. Next up, I was really excited that this popped up on the day that I picked my box, and this is the Beauty Kitchen Eco Glitter Balm. Now this is 0% plastic glitter balm. Now, as we all know, we're trying to cut down on plastic, and glitter is one of those things that people kind of don't really think about necessarily, but it is harmful to the environment, especially things that are full of glitter that you're washing down drains, that you're throwing away with waste. It all adds up and it gets into water, and it's like tiny little particles of plastic that you're putting into the environment. And this is 0% plastic glitter balm, so that is perfect. And it is silver, and it comes in a little jar like this, and it is plastic free packaging as well, so it's glass, it's got the little metal lid, and that is what it looks like in there. So let's take a little bit out, pop a little bit on the back of my hand. Can't really see properly in this light because it's so bright that it's not like reflecting the glitter properly, but with my eyes it looks beautiful. It is just like a really nice glitter. It doesn't really feel that gritty. And it says on here that you can use it on your face, body, hair and lips because it's aluminium free as well. So this product is full size, it's 15 grams, and it's worth £9.50. So next up we have the Salcura Antiac, I think that's how you say it, daily face wash. Now this I've actually seen in Holland & Barrett before and been tempted to buy it, so I was really excited that this popped up on the website. This is full size, it's 150ml, and it's worth £8.49. And this is meant to be deep cleansing, pH neutral, rich in omega-3, 6, 7 and 9 and vitamin E, gently cleanses oily and acne prone skin, and this is meant to be good for blemishes, spots, whiteheads, blackheads, pimples, acne. And there's obviously other things in the range that you can use with it, but it says we've always avoid ingredients that are widely accepted to be unsuitable for sensitive or problem skin, which is perfect for me because I have quite sensitive skin. And it says it's totally free from SLS, SLES, parabens, lanolin, synthetic fragrance, microplastics, formaldehyde, nanoparticles, triclosan, methylicer, MI, and MCI. I can't pronounce the words. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's got witch hazel, sea buckthorn, sunflower, aloe vera, rosemary, bisabolol. Why do they always put these words on here that I don't know how they say? Okay. And it comes in a nice little squeezy tube. I always love face washes. At the moment, my go-to is the Pure Plush by Bare Minerals, which I absolutely love. But sometimes I like to just mix and match, ones in the morning, ones in the evening, so that's perfect. Next up, we have another full size, and this is Garnier, and this is the micellar water, but this is the milky cleansing water, which I haven't tried before. I've tried the just the normal micellar water by Garnier, the see-through one, but this is the milky one, which, you know. And this is 400 mils, it's worth £7 and it is full size. And this is meant to be for dry and sensitive skin, removes makeup, cleanses, hydrates, face, eyes and lips. Now I don't like using micellar water around my eyes. I basically just rub this over my face before I oil cleanse, before I then wash my face. So I'm basically triple cleansing, just because I like to get the first layer off with something first. I don't know why, it's just the way I do things. Next up, another brand that I am obsessed with, and anybody that has not used any products from this brand need to use them right now. Go online and order them because they're amazing, and that is Dr. Pawpaw. I hadn't used this brand until probably about a year ago, and I bought the original Dr. Pawpaw in a big bottle, and oh my god, it's amazing. You can use it on your face, on your eyebrows, on your lips, on your hands, on your elbows. You can use it on insect bites, you can use it on cuts, it's honestly the most multi-purpose balm. And they also have coloured balms, which I have the red and there's like an orangey pinky one which I've got, and I've got another mini of the clear, and I've also got their lip scrub. But this is Rich Mocha, and I hadn't tried this one, and this is worth £6.95. It's full size, 25 mils. So I'll just pop a little bit on the back of my hand just so you can see like what colour it is. So it's like a brown tint. So once you shear it out, and once you put it on your lips, obviously it's going to be like a really slight tint on your lips, which I love. And you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your eyes, you could put it anywhere. Next up, just got these because, you know, I need them in my life, is the Invisi Bubbles, and this is full size pack of 3, worth £4.99. They're little pink ones, just thought they'd be cute. Next up, I got the AA Skincare Frankincense and Rose Face Toner. Now, last month I got the Bayo Hydrating Rose Mist. Now, I absolutely love this. I've used this every single day and it has hardly gone down. It's literally just down to there. And I am obsessed with that. It is so nice. I really feel like it's made a difference to my skin as well. Like, I don't really know what's going on, but I just keep spraying it. And this is similar. It's frankincense and rose. It obviously has slightly different ingredients. The one that I was just talking about has hyaluronic acid in. This one does not have hyaluronic acid, but this is worth £2.66. It's 50 mils. But any kind of like facial spritz toners I love anyway. They're always good to have in your handbag if you're feeling a bit hot, a bit dry, a bit cakey, your makeup's starting to feel a little bit like it's suffocating you. You can just spritz. Next up, the Charles Worthington Everyday Gentle Miracle Jelly Leave-In Conditioner. This is again full size, and this is worth £6.99. It's 150 mils. Let's take it out the box, see what it looks like. It's in a really cute packaging. It looks like this. Comes with a little, you know, pop cap. Oh, the smell of that is divine. It's almost like I can smell it like through the packaging, like they've just put it in the packaging. It's amazing. It smells like how you want your hair to smell. That's what it smells like. And so that is meant to envelope the hair in a weightless water-like jelly to maintain colour vibrancy, helps reduce mechanical and thermal damage whilst protecting hair from flyaways and weather-induced frizz. That is what I need. Hair is smoother and shinier for longer, whilst natural volume increased and hair quality is improved within just 1 week. So this you're meant to just put on damp hair and don't rinse off. So I'm excited to try this. And the Hall of Fame product for the month, which I was so excited about, is by a brand that I absolutely love, and that is Shiseido. And this is only 10 mils, okay, but it's worth £23. The full size of this I think it's like 70 mils and I think it's like £120 or something crazy like that. The Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. Now this you're meant to put on before your moisturiser, from what I believe. You're meant to put it on before your moisturiser. It's meant to, oh my god, how cute is that? I literally just want like a shelf with like all my little mini products. I love it. And so this is meant to basically make your skin better. Next up, this is the free gift that I got. So they're my 9 products that I picked, and this was a free gift. So this was the John Frieda Sheer Blonde Crystal Hold Hairspray. Now obviously I'm not blonde, but I don't really understand, like, I should just be able to use it on my normal hair. So that I'm just going to keep it in my handbag. Because how can a hairspray just be for blonde hair? I'm assuming it's got something in it that doesn't make your blonde hair dull, like it makes it brighter, but I'll use it. This is worth £1.20, it's 50 mils, but it's a nice little free gift to get. So all in all, my products are worth £76.08, and obviously with the free gift it's worth £77.28. So not a bad buy for £18. I will link everything down below that I picked, everything down below, discount codes, anything, latest in beauty information for you. Really, really amazing beauty box. It's the only beauty box that I have, the only one that I'm interested in. And I love the fact that you can pick your own products. They also have the collection boxes, which I think are amazing. And basically I'm just obsessed. Okay, so that's that. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with what products you picked. If you like this video, then don't forget to let me know, and subscribe to my channel if that's what you want to do. And I'll see you on the next one. Love you.